trees, which opens up the forest floor, which lets a lot of those younger, smaller trees that produce berries to grow. That's one positive for them, but there's a negative. And the negative's got to do with a squirrel. What about it? Don't know? So the squirrels go around and they collect all these pine cones and they create a cache of food. Bears will raid those food supplies if the berry production is not that high. Now we've been through drought, which has stressed the trees. If we go through a drought again, what happens to berry production? It goes down. So in those times the bears would actually feed on the pine cones and things that are in the cache from the squirrels. So if you look at it, mountain pine beetle kills trees, squirrel population goes down, squirrels stop putting pine cones into a stash. If we go through drought, what happens to bear population? Why? The really interesting thing here is our bear populations are maintaining themselves. Why and how? It's got to do with this animal. Yeah. Because we've moved into the area and we're not always careful with our trash, bears will come in and steal trash to get food.